Basketball, you betcha I'm back, and it's the Daily Trainer, and I'm ready to give you what you need to succeed, guaranteed in the gym every single day, ready to get it in each and every way. Let's go. Basketball, you, I'm so excited. Make sure you hit us with that comment and subscribe. I'm so ready to get to it as we continue to get to 365. Let's go. So remember, this week we're doing AI training, so I want to make sure you understand that it's still going to be our clips. Nothing different is going to happen in regards to what we are teaching you, but the workout is going to be different. So it may be a little bit different, and there may be some new clips. So let's see what we got today, as we are going to try to see if AI can help us master layups. Okay, so that's why you clicked on this video, because you want to master layups, because it's the most missed thing in the game of basketball. Do you agree? I mean, unless you're one of those people that only want to shoot threes, then yeah, maybe. Okay, so let's get into it. Well, first, AI wants us to say that we're going to warm up. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a light cardio exercise, such as jogging or jumping. So we're going to do some jumping jacks, okay? We're going to do about 20 of those. And then we are going to do some jump rope as well. And that's going to get you roughly with your heart rate going and everything in the blood flowing and moving. And it's going to be great, okay? AI wants us to perform dynamic stretches to activate your lower body. So we're going to run those high knees. Okay, we're going to do some lunges, right? And then we're even going to get into our knee hugs, right? I don't know if we got knee hugs on there, but we should. And we're going to do that. And then they want us to work on our layup technique. So perfect. We have it for you. It's going to be our one-step layup, right, into our finish, okay? Then it's going to be our one-step jump stop into a finish, okay? So we're going to work those layups. It says practice proper footwork and body positioning for layups. Start with slow motion repetitions to reinforce the correct form. So that's what that one step and that jump step is going to do for you. And then it says perform layups from different angles using your dominant hand. Focus on using the backboard for a soft touch and aim for a high release point. Things that we've mentioned to you here at Basketball U. So we just want to emphasize that. And then to help with the different angles, we can also do the mic and drill. Okay, that way you're kind of coming wider with your layup to give you that option of doing that. Speaking of the footwork, we can throw the ball up and out, and we can catch and rip through with our footwork as well. That'll give us a little bit different angle on our layups as well. Okay, and then not to mention, we have our layup series that we like to do, and we're going to do that as well. Okay, so our layup series is going to be, remember, regular layup, jump stop layup, inside hand layup. We have our reverse layup, okay, with our inside hand, and then we have our reverse layup with our outside hand. So those are some different angles that you can work on when doing these layup drills, okay? Yes. And so now, as we have moved from the smaller half court layup situation, they will now want us to do a full court layup drill. Start from one end of the court, dribble at full speed, and perform layups on both sides of the basket. Mimic game situations by incorporating fakes, euro steps, or reverse layups, which we've already incorporated in our original drill. But we're going to go ahead and do our full court pushing the ball drill, and we're going to go right hand and we're going to go left hand on that. Okay, so that is what AI is telling us right here about what to do to be successful in mastering the layup. Now, remember, when going full speed, just want to touch on this because AI wasn't able to. Everyone has a tendency, especially at younger ages, to just throw that ball up and then it just goes off the backboard. Remember that your momentum and your speed is going to take you into the layup. All you have to do is ease it up with a soft touch, and it's going to go nice and easy off the glass. If you don't combat that momentum with that stoppage and that feel, then that ball is going to go flying way back to the other team, and they'll be going for the same type of layup you just missed. Okay, so be very aware of that. We haven't really talked about like Euro steps. Just work on more of the jump stop right now, and I think you will continue to be better at mastering the layup. So that's great. Again, we have all the drills ready to go for you. And then the last thing that AI is talking about on here is agility and coordination exercises. They want us to set up some cones in various patterns and perform quick dribble moves around them, and this will improve your agility, footwork, and coordination. And then they also want us to set up some cones, and they want us to utilize this as like something for quick feet drills. And they also want us to work this with like getting our knees up and work on some overall coordination and explosiveness with side to side moves or some type of jumping. So again, we have all those drills for you. The 3 cones that are set up across, and we jump over them with knee tucks. Our agility drill where we go side to side with our 2 cones. Our 2 feet simultaneously moving together. Our side to side. All these different things AI wants us to do. So I would say overall, just do these in 5 sets of everything, and you'll get a really good feel on that. Also do our 1-leg hops, right? In a square. That would be perfect right now for what they're asking us to do. And then lastly, let's go ahead and give you some new footage, and we're going to work on some strength and conditioning where we incorporate lower body strength exercises, kind of like squats, some calf raising, just things to improve your power and your explosiveness during layups. So we're going to show you some exercises here where we use the bench that you would, do a bench press on, and you're going to work on pops. Okay, so you're going to put your leg up on the bench, and you're going to work on jumping off of that 1 leg. We'll just give you that for now. We don't want you to get too far into the strength and conditioning work, but just wanted to give you that clip, and it be a new clip, and know that we're working on some working out and training stuff for you outside of the court as well. Basketball U. Oh yeah, but we're getting ready, and we're coming. So I hope everybody's ready for that. Basketball U, again, I can't thank you enough, but I want you to remember, we still have extra work. Oh, you thought I was going to say the other thing. No, we have extra work to do. What does that extra work look like today? That extra work today will be incorporated with our layups. So what I want you to do is I want you to drive from the top of the key, and I want you to work on your crossover, your drive, and your finish. I want you to also work on your change of speed where you're working the in and out, you're working the step to slow down, and you're going to go finish the layup, okay? And you're going to work an in and out move as well, and go finish the layup on both sides as well. I want these 5 times each. This is your extra work. If you want that work, you can get it. If not, go ahead and keep missing layups. No, I'm just messing with you. I know you guys work hard, so keep working hard. Please do the extra work. And remember, Basketball U, someone is always working. Are you?